Hey girlfriends, welcome back. Hold on. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, say no. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm not going to keep you guys on. We have a really quick but fun video. So as you guys can see by the title, we are doing us a Telfizi unboxing today, baby. The Telfizi is in the BI. And that means building, right? But yes, the Telfizi is out here, okay? So full transparency, full disclosure, I've already opened this up because this is my second time shooting this video. The first video I didn't really like. The quality was less than ideal, so I was like, I mean, it was quick, it was fun, why not shoot it again the right way? So this is my rendition of the right way. So it's already open. However, I did want it to maintain like the anticipation. So what I did was I went and put my little piece of tape back across the Telfizi little piece, so that way it could stay closed until we was ready to pop this baby open. So that was one disclaimer. Another disclaimer, this is my other baby. Love her. This was my very first Telfizi, and I just love her, so we had to expand the family, so we'll keep her there while we open up her sister or whoever this is finna be. Let's see. So before I open it up, let me know in the comments below. This is the small and this is the new box. First of all, what size do you think it is? Did I get the small, medium, or large? And more importantly, what color do you think this is? Like, let me know. I already got the pool blue, so no, I did not get the same bag in a different size. I didn't get the same color bag in a different size, so no, it's not pool blue, so don't guess that one. So go ahead, drop it down in the comments below which one you thought it was before I actually opened it up, and let's see if you're right. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just gonna peel this little muffin cap back blue. The sticker's like really blue, so muffin cap back blue, per. Okay, here goes the moment of truth. I'm so excited. All right, girls. Okay, so hold on, let me close this box. It's something about it just standing at attention like that don't sit right with me. Like it's taking up too much space or something. And we just gonna pop the old Telfizi on the top so y'all can really see that pop the top. Alright, so here's the bag, and as you can see, there's like a substantial difference between whatever size is in here and my small. Like, wow. And the crazy part is, I think it's only about like a $50 difference between the small bag and then the larger bags that they have. So yes, you open it up and there's that logo that I love, and I just love seeing this logo. It'll never get old to me. Like when you see that, you know it's lit, right? And I love that they're black owned, black and queer owned. I love it. So yes, you open it and you have the clear bag. So let's go inside of our bag. Oh baby, you talk about being in a bag. We in about 3-4 of them today. Okay, so we take it out the plastic bag, and again you just got that logo that I love. And again, it's just something about, I think it's the logo itself that just gets me so excited. Like look, like it's just so elite. I just love seeing it. Like I love seeing it on my purse. I love seeing it on other people's purses. I love seeing it all over the internet. Like I just love Telfar's logo, and especially knowing what it stands for. Like how can you not? So then we get into there one more time. Which y'all think it is? What color y'all think it is? Let's see who's right. Y'all ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like I haven't already seen it though. That's the gag. The gag is I've already opened this up and I'm still excited. All right. Oh shit, I'm so sorry about that. I just kicked my tripod. Hopefully we can. Okay, I think we good. So it is trying to lead the damn, oh, I see why. Hold on, because I think this is supposed to be tucked in the front, and when I put it back in the bag, I tucked it in the back. Cause she damn sure is not trying to come out this bag. Girl, so Fifi, you was doing the most. Girl. She took so long to come out the bag. I mean, damn, is we even still excited? Yeah, we still excited, cause look at her. Might be a little stubborn like her mom, but she means well. So yes. I got the medium cobalt bag, and baby, girl, tell me this bag is not beautiful. Go ahead and lie. I'll wait, but I ain't gonna wait too long. Look at her. Y'all, I love her. Let's get into the bag a little bit more, shall we? So of course it comes with the standard straps. That is kind of one thing that I'm not gonna say I don't like, because I don't mind it as much. I just tuck my straps in, even on my little small bag if I want. But I would have liked for the straps to be detachable. They aren't. If you don't have a Telfar bag, they are not detachable, so you'll have to work your way around that. I don't think the smaller purse, I don't think that, let me see, because I don't think my smaller purse has like a zipper. Yeah, it definitely is too small, and which it's not something that I think I expected or needed, or, you know, it's just, I don't care. But I pointed it out because I just, you know, made a quick comparison, because there's definitely one, hold on with straps now, let's get you together. It's definitely a zipper in the bigger one, which makes sense because it's more space. So that's nice. I love this bag. Like, I love this bag. I love how spacious this is. Like, I'm typically a small bag girl. I don't know what really made me want this bag in a medium, because I really do love like the compact look of the smaller bags. Y'all know small bags just in right now. So I really like that look. But blue is also my favorite color, and in case you can't see, I have a sapphire birthstone ring. My birthday's in September, so blue is just my color. I love blue. It's all over my house, and I'll never get tired of it. So yes, I love the color, but I'm not sure why I got it in this size. But I love it. And I'm just happy. If y'all looking for like one of those reviews where you're like, oh, I don't like the texture of it, or oh, the wrinkles in it, because I've seen reviews where people complain about like the quality of the bags, and you're not gonna get that here. I'm sorry. I really love Telfar bags. I love that they're accessible. They're $150, so like for me, I don't know that real leather, because I only recently found out that this wasn't real leather. It's like vegan leather or faux leather, whatever it is not real. And so I guess that's a problem for some people, but for somebody like me, I'm not swayed by if it's real leather or not. I shop at the thrift store 97% of the time, so I'm not, as long as the bag looks nice and it's not raggedy, I'm fine. Yeah, I love them, y'all. So there's really nothing too crazy that you're gonna get from me. I might be kind of biased, might not be the one that you want to listen to the review from, but if you just really wanted to see what they look like, and judge for yourself if you would want to get something, you know, of this quality because it isn't real leather, then you have the freedom to decide. But as for me in this household, baby, we can't wait until Telfar drop the next bag. And there's a bag that I have in mind specifically, but I can't let y'all know that, because y'all know that these drops is something serious, okay? It's every man for themselves when it comes to the Telfar drops. I'm so sorry, girls. I'm so sorry, girlfriend, but it's every man for themselves until we get these bags, okay? Let's get this bag. And I think that's about it, y'all. It's really not too much to say. I just wanted to show y'all my new Telfar. My new Telfar, and baby, that's been done. Do you love it? Do you love it as much as I do? Let me know in the comments below. Do you have a Telfar bag? Do you love this brand, or are you on the fence about it? Have you been trying to get your Telfar bag forever now and you still haven't, and so you finally given up? Sis, let me know your story, because trust me, whatever it is, I understand. I got my 2 bags, but trust me, I done missed out on a couple, and I'm still waiting on a couple. And I'm gonna wait patiently because, like I said, I love the brand, I love the bag, so I'm gonna wait. But I do understand the hype and sometimes the hassle behind the Telfar brand, behind the Telfar Global brand. So yeah, sound off in the comments below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about my new bag. She's so pretty. Love her. But do you though? Let me know. But yeah, we out. We done. I told y'all we got a quick video today. I wasn't going to keep y'all long. Y'all see this how Fifi? She's real cute. Both of them sitting pretty. Let me show y'all one more time to take y'all out. But yes, we done. So before I dip, make sure y'all like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel for the next video. Turn your notification button on so you're notified when I drop the next video. And that's just that on that, baby. See you later, girlfriends.